I've been getting quite comfortable with the guitar strap I fashioned on my electric violin, and while playing at a pickin party, an impromptu session with my acoustic violin, I got a terrible backache the other day. I was sitting in the chair wrong or something, so I finally, after 50 years of playing the same instrument since I was 12 years old, I finally took the plunge and drilled a hole in the corner and installed the same thing as on the electric violin on my acoustic violin. It was a little nerve-wracking drilling a hole in a 125-year-old instrument in the corner. I wouldn't recommend doing this unless you have a quality enough instrument that has actually a corner block. A cheaper instrument will not even have a block, it'll just have a fake fence or nothing. But mine has a block in there, so I drilled carefully into the block and put a mandolin strap I had on it, and ta-da! Look, my no hands. I can play freely without my neck.